Laughter haunts these broken walls, empty rooms still call your name. Time moved on, I stood there still, caught inside that ember chain. Dust on the frame by the door, your coat still knows your shade. I reach for you in the dark and wake up to the ache. And I try to close that door, but it opens on its own. Every quiet little thing brings your echo back home. Echoes of you I can't escape. Echoes of you, they never fade. Even silence says your name, burning soft beneath the rain. Echoes of you I can't escape. I hold the wound, you're still the same. Coffee rings on the old wood table, 2 cups turn to 1. June still lives in the cracked blinds where we watch the setting sun. I buried the words you left me, but they roots underground. Now every step in this house turns your ghost around. And I try to close that door, but it opens on its own. Every quiet little thing brings your echo back home. Echoes of you I can't escape. Echoes of you, they never fade. Even silence says your name, burning soft beneath the rain. Echoes of you I can't escape. I hold the wound, you're still the same. If I let you go, who stays in the corners of my mind? I don't wanna be the man who leaves your memory behind. So I carry it like glass, careful in my hands. One more kiss from long ago, and I understand. Echoes of you I can't escape. Echoes of you, they never fade. Even silence says your name, burning soft beneath the rain. Echoes of you I can't escape. I hold the wound, you're still the same. Echoes of you I can't escape. Echoes of you I still replay.